Want to see me turn AI into $75 in just 5 minutes? Cold email outreach is manual, time consuming, and often ignored. Enter my AI cold email starter pack, 5 done for you templates, ready to send. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and generate our templates. We're going to generate 5 professional business-to-business cold email templates for outreach to marketing managers at mid-sized tech companies. Each template should be 100 to 120 words, include a personalized hook, clear value proposition, and a 1-sentence call to action. Perfect. So you go ahead and hit copy, and you're going to come down here, and you're going to hit paste, and hit enter. ChatGPT is going to think about it for a second, and then they're going to come back and give us our templates. Template number 1. You can see it here. The industry insight hook. And the next one we have is the pain point solution. Template number 3, the case study tease. And the resource offer approach, as well as the question-based opener. Alright, so the next place that we are going to go to is going to be Google Docs. And here we have a blank document. We're going to go ahead and bring that up. And by now you should be able to copy and paste your templates. Alright. So I did want to include a couple of things for you guys in case you weren't sure. So what I'm going to do is I did include my copyright down here at the bottom. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go ahead and go to download. I'm going to go to PDF and I'm going to go ahead and open the file. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and hop into Gumroad. And I'm going to go ahead and hit digital product. And so with this, you can actually hop back into your ChatGPT if you forgot to add a product name and go ahead and copy and paste, and it's going to be AI cold email starter pack. So again, I'm going to go ahead and name it the AI cold email starter pack, and it matches my PDF title, so it keeps everything consistent. And just so that in the future, if I want to go ahead and use these again, I can add a volume 1.0 so that I can track my future updates. The core name will always stay the same. Alright, and then I also did want to show that down here we are going to charge $75. And then you're going to come up here and you're going to hit the next customize button. Now, it's going to recommend to us that it looks like this product could be a great bundle. With bundles, your customers can get access to multiple products at once at a discounted price without the need to duplicate content or workflows. Alright, well that's going to be a tutorial for another day. But finishing this out so that you can make your first $75 today, let's go ahead and knock it out. Alright, so before we actually get into it, I just wanted to slow down and show you guys step by step like what it is exactly that you're going to need to do. Once you have your PDF, you're going to have product, you're going to have content, you're going to have your share button. So you're going to want to go on over to content. This allows you to upload the PDF that you're going to have for sale. I also forgot to mention that you can always click back to your ChatGPT in case that you forget something like the description, and you can go ahead and hit enter and it'll go ahead and formulate that description for you. So all you have to do is copy and paste it. So we're going to come over from ChatGPT and we are going to write a hook. So we're going to go into ChatGPT and we're going to copy and paste. And it says automate your business-to-business outreach with 5 proven AI-generated cold email templates ready to send in minutes. All right. So then what I do is I list the key benefits with a personalized hook with clear value props and one sentence call to action and CRM compatibility. So I copy and paste those in there just to keep up with the description so you guys know where we're. And then what I go ahead and do is I add a testimonial, a real actual person. I booked 12 qualified demos to. All right, so the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit the buy now link and the call to action link. You're going to go back to ChatGPT and you're going to go ahead and be able to copy and paste right here. It says grab your pack now for $75. Paste your Gumroad buy link here. Well, how do you get your buy link? So you're going to go up here to share. All right, but it's not actually the share button. It is the save and continue button. Once you hit publish and continue, you can actually go back into your account. Copy your product URL. Go back into your product description. Edit, copy and paste, go back and hit save changes. Changes are saved and your product is live. Hey, thanks for being here, especially if you've ever felt like an underdog. Stick around because I'm showing you how to use AI to build real income step by step. If that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's make your first $75 with AI together.